New trims are now installed and sanded. It's flash, and I use the deck mate 8 by 2.5 inches Phillips screw. It looks like this. I prefer this than using nails. So the next step is caulking. Caulking between the old and the new trims and the sides. Good morning. I have completed caulking and priming. There used to be a big gap here, and it's now completely sealed. For primer, I use the Kills 2 all-purpose primer, and this is my first coating. I'm going to put another coat after this. And for the caulking, I use the Dynaflex DAP White 230. It is slightly expensive than the regular caulk. It's almost $5, and I use this because it has a superior flexibility and crack proof. As it ages and as the wood expands and contracts, caulk has a tendency to crack, and with this caulk it will prevent that. This is an example of a cheap caulking used before. I will be replacing this too. So the next step, I'm going to put another layer of primer and then buy the new paint. I got two paints from Dan Edwards, exterior flat paint. For the main body, I got the Stonegate 304 Stonegate, and for my trim, Navajo White. Each quart is $8. It's pretty good price, and make sure when you're buying paint you are getting the exact color. I just repainted my house 2 years ago, and the painters left the remaining cans for each color for my house. So this is the exact brand and the exact color code. I applied 2 coats of paint. I painted the trim with Navajo White, and because I put new caulkings around it, so it smeared the body, so I have to repaint the body as well using the 304 Stonegate color. And it looks new again. So you have new wood, the rotting is gone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And please subscribe. Thank you.